Okay, the symptoms were my seatbelt light would never go off. It wouldn't turn off. The airbag light was on. And a bunch of other weird things. The radio kept switching sources. Cruise control wouldn't work. Rear wiper wouldn't work. But yeah, let me show you the test to see if it's your ignition switch. Okay, here's some of the symptoms if your ignition switch is bad. See that vanity light? It's not coming on. And then watch how close this mirror. And those lights come on. Then I'm going to open the mirror and those go out. Closed. Open. Closed. Rear wiper. It's trying to go. Hear it? I'm going to open the mirror. And nothing. Wiper doesn't work. That light's on again. Okay. Now let's change out that switch. Okay, the new switch is in. Look, no more light there. I can open and shut this. It doesn't change that. My rear wiper works. Looks good. I will give it a couple weeks and let you know if it's still good. Yep, it's been a couple weeks and turn the key on and everything's back to normal. Everything's been working good. So yeah, the ignition switch. Change out your ignition switch and hopefully you'll have as good luck as me.